Oh dear, bit of a dilemma. The lady of the house reports that the washing machine's not doing what it's supposed to do. Not going round at all, making a few scrunching noises, flickering lights, but not going round. So what are you going to do? Call the man, or are you going to fix it yourself like a proper DIYer? Well, of course you are. So let's have the back off for a start. Right, so today we're taking the Hotpoint washing machine to bits because it's stopped working. Now, the only thing I'm going to have a little look at is are the brushes on the motor. So we're going to undo the motor by loosening these two bolts, get the motor out and see what state the brushes are in. If we can replace those, we will. If we can't, it's going to go down the road. Right, without disconnecting the motor completely, I can see that the carbon brushes are worn right down. So we might just nip that off there, that brush set, and see if we can get a fresh one. Right, so we've removed the old bush set, and you can see perfectly clearly there that carbon brush is worn right down to nearly nothing. So we go and get some fresh ones, which have got a massive amount of carbon on them. Let's see if we can. So we'll just install that back into the motor. And then don't forget to just pop that lead back onto that spade there. Yep. And then you just fold that down. So we just pop these back in. You can see there's a couple of studs on the bottom of there, and they go in these holes, locating studs. And that one just screws back in there. And once we've connected the lead onto that tab, that brass tab, we should be ready to put the motor back into its original position. Put your bolts back in, tighten them down. Right, that's everything back together. Just put the back on and stand the thing up, connect it to the water and the electricity supply. And not forgetting to put the overflow in its correct place. There you are, guys. Thanks very much for watching. If you like what you saw and it helped you, that's all the better. And perhaps you'd like to subscribe to my channel. You'll be able to see what else we get up as we fix our house, our car and any other bits and pieces.